Hey guys, today we're going to be making grilled spatchcock chicken with chimichurri sauce. My name's Chef Chris and this is Fired Up. So first things first, we're going to pat our chicken dry. The drier the skin, the crispier the bird. Alright, so now I'm just going to get my shears and I'm going to spatchcock this bird. Now what that is getting the backbone out of the bird and butterflying it so that it cooks evenly. And also, it quickens the cooking time. Turn it over and you're going to press into the center of the bird until you hear that crack. We're going to put our nice little rub on it. Salt and pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Going to mix it around a little bit. And now I'm going to rub this all in nice and evenly. Let's flip this over. Same thing on the other side. We're going to put this in our barbecue grill, skin side down, get a nice sear on that, right? And we're going to leave that there for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to move it to the indirect heat side to finish cooking for about 40 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll get started on that chimichurri sauce. For chimichurri, we use 2 parts cilantro to 1 part parsley. The garlic, chilies, some red wine vinegar, a little bit of lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and finally, olive oil. Now we're just going to fully incorporate this chimichurri sauce together. I prefer a good chimichurri sauce with any grill meat to any other sauce. The colors and the explosive flavor. Woo! That's good. The flavors, explosive. We're gonna put it aside and wait for our chicken to come out. You know what I love to pair with grilling season? A little bit of Jack Daniels. That chicken is looking good. One of the things I love about using a gas grill is that I can set the zones for the indirect heat and the direct heat sides. Whereas when you're using coal, wood chips, you're usually just pushing stuff all around the place. It's looking good. All right, let's get some of this chimichurri on. A little bit goes a long way. Spread it across. That bird looks beautiful. I mean, damn, look at that. It's as simple as that. Spatchcock chicken with chimichurri sauce. I'm Chef Chris, and I'm out.